Hello everyone, here is another interesting question from IGCSE 2025 examination powered by Edexcel International. And the question reads, here is a quadratic equation ax squared plus 4x plus c equal to 0. The solution of this equation are given by x equal to minus 4 plus or minus 2 times the square root of 39 divided by 10. We are asked to find the value of a as well as the value of c. By near looking at this, you should know that the general formula is used in solving this particular equation, and the general formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2e. Our b is the coefficient of x, which is minus 4. So since you can see minus 4 here, it means that the expression has not been simplified. The only thing that has been simplified is the square root, because we have no value outside the square root. It is just plus or minus the square root. So we are going to take this number back inside the square root. And any number outside the square root, for you to take it in, you have to square it first. 2 squared is 4. So you have to multiply 39 by 4. So we have this to be x equal to minus 4 plus or minus the square root of what? 39 multiplied by 4 is 156. 156. All right, divide by, remember this is 2a. So 2 times what will be 10? That is 2 times 5. So 2 is constant, then times a, which is 5. So now let us start by finding the value of a. A is definitely equal to 5, because remember this is 2 times a, which is going to give us this 10 back. So 2 times 5 is 10, therefore a is 5. So we are done with a. Then what about c? Remember the content inside the square root is what? B squared minus 4ac. B squared minus 4ac will be equal to that 156. We have a already, and b is from our equation, which is 4. So we have 4 squared minus 4 times a. We just obtained a as 5 multiplied by c, and this is equal to 156. 4 squared is 16. Minus 4 times 5 is minus 20c, and this is equal to 156. Now I would like to switch these two terms. If negative 20c crosses over, it becomes positive 20c equal to 16 minus 156. And what is 16 minus 156? This is going to give us negative 140, right? So let me even divide directly. C is equal to negative 140. If you subtract this one, then divide by 20, which is the coefficient of c, and the zeros will cancel. Negative 14 divided by 2 is negative 7. Therefore c is negative 7. So we have seen that a is 5 and c is negative 7. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. This share to your learning colleagues. Bye.